Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the DrivePro 10 from a company, Transcend, that makes hard drive and memory cards. And I'm excited what they can offer. And as you can see here guys, micro SD card, memory card inside. So it's free. So let's check it out. Yo guys, Hans here. This is probably the smallest dashcam I reviewed, with a size of around 2.5 inches tall and 1.5 inches wide. That is very compact size for a dashcam. We have a very decent packaging here, and out of the box it also includes a Transcend 32GB micro SD card. That is a great inclusion. Taking a closer look at the DrivePro 10, it's surprisingly compact. Out of the box, we have our charger that is a bit bulky but has a solid build that is meant to last. We also have our mounting bracket that is adhesive, and some paperworks and extra double-sided tapes. So out of the box, it includes your typical accessories. Now before we go to features guys, I just want to show you the 1080p Full HD quality of the DrivePro 10. I have a few clips here from different weather scenarios. On a sunny weather, it captures a very decent image with enough details for a typical dashcam. Over here, you will see me cleaning my car on a Monday morning. On a cloudy rainy day, as you can see on the footage, it still keeps up with its decent quality image, providing you enough details for any scenarios that could happen. Now they say this has STARVIS sensor that has superior nighttime recording. Now as you can see on the image, it did not switch to black and white, which some dashcam do for nighttime mode recording. As you can see here, it's still recording at full color, and the quality is fine, with just enough details to capture things you need like plate numbers and recognizable image. And to be honest, it's okay. Now for the built-in microphone, this is me getting lost and asking strangers for directions. And as you can hear from the audio, my AC is blowing on high and my window is open. As you can hear, I still sound clear. That is good for a dashcam.
So this silver to. Ito silver to. So yung 16, number 16. Pero silver to, no?
Let's talk about the dashcam and the build quality of it. Over the side, we have our micro SD card slot, and above it is the emergency recording button that records separate file from your normal recordings. And that's it. That's the only button you will find here. On the other side, we have our micro USB slot for power. Once you connect it to power source, it starts recording. On the back side, we have a light indicator to let you know it's recording. And that's it. It's so simple. Now for the build of it. It has minimal design. The plastic has a matte finish that looks premium. It has a little weight to it, but not that heavy. Overall, it is a solid compact design. Also, this has Wi-Fi Connect. You will need to download the DrivePro app to access your recordings and settings. Also, you have the live view to check your frame if you have properly angled it on the right way. Overall, if you're looking for a compact dashcam that is minimal and has a basic function that you need that just works out of the box, this is a good choice.
Alright guys, so that's it for the DrivePro 10. As you can see here, it's just 2.5 inches tall and 1.5 inches wide. A very compact dash cam. So if you're interested in getting this product, check the link in the description box. And again guys, my name is Hans Andres, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.